In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple automated to-do list in Monday.com. We'll walk through setting up a board, organizing tasks, adding automations, and using different views to improve your task management. So let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, look for the option that says plus new board and click on it. This is where we'll start building our to-do list. You'll be prompted to name your board, and I suggest something straightforward like to-do list or task manager. Then you'll need to decide on the board's visibility settings. If it's just for you, go with private. If you're working with a team, choose main or shareable. Now we'll add essential columns that will help you track and manage tasks effectively. Your to-do list isn't complete without a status column. This is where you can categorize tasks as to do, in progress, or done. You should also have a due date column to keep track of deadlines. A people column is crucial for assigning tasks either to yourself or your team members. Consider adding a priority column, perhaps as a drop-down or with labels, to mark tasks as high, medium, or low priority. Lastly, don't forget a text or notes column where you can jot down details relevant to each task. Next, let's organize the task into groups on your board. Consider creating groups like today, this week, later, and completed. This way, your to-do list is more dynamic and your tasks are organized by time frame, which helps you stay focused and prioritize your workload more efficiently. To enhance productivity, you'll want to set up some automations. Monday.com offers several automation recipes that can save you time. For instance, you can set a deadline reminder so when a due date arrives, you'll receive a notification. Another great automation is to auto-move completed tasks. When the status changes to done, the task can automatically move to the completed group. You can also automate task assignments, so when an item is created, it's immediately assigned to the correct person. And if you have recurring tasks, set up an automation to create items automatically, like a weekly report every Monday. Finally, take advantage of the different views Monday.com offers to track your tasks better. The table view is your standard list layout, which everyone knows and loves. The calendar view allows you to see tasks by their deadlines, giving you a visual timeline. Kanban view is fantastic for those who prefer a drag-and-drop interface to manage task statuses. Plus, there's the dashboard, which provides a comprehensive overview of your completed and pending tasks. That's it for today's tutorial. By following these steps, you'll have set up an efficient and automated to-do list in Monday.com that will help streamline your workflow and keep you and your team on track.